Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, I will be teaching you about 18 different sight words. But first of all, what are sight words? Well, sight words are words that appear often in many of the texts that people read. Learning them will also help you become more comfortable readers. So, let's get right into it. The first two sight words are I and my. I and my are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the naming part of a sentence. An example sentence for I would be, I am hungry. An example sentence for my would be, my family is very nice. The next three sight words are he, she, and you. And just like I and my, these are also personal pronouns. An example sentence for he is, he likes to run. An example sentence for she is, she is very smart. And an example sentence for you is, you are a nice person. The next two sight words are him and her. These are also personal pronouns. An example sentence for him would be, they took him to the hospital. And an example sentence for her would be, they helped her with homework. A and an are the next two sight words. For these two words, there is a rule, which is the a and an rule. This rule says that a must be followed by a consonant and an must be followed by a vowel. An example sentence for a would be, I would like to read a book. And an example sentence for an is, I ate an apple. The next pair of sight words are to and do. An example sentence for both of these words would be, I need to do my homework. Moving on, have and has are the next two sight words. And there is a rule for these words as well, and it's called the have and has rule. This rule says that have is used when you are talking about yourself, and has is used when you are talking about someone or something else. To make it easier to understand, an example sentence for have would be, I have a car. And an example sentence for has would be, he has a car. The next two sight words are is and are. And just like the previous two words, these two words have a rule as well, called the is and are rule. This rule says that when a noun is singular, use is, and when a noun is plural, use are. An example sentence for is would be, she is talking to her friend. An example sentence for are is, we are going to the bazaar. The next two sight words are of and and. An example sentence for of is, I am out of time. And an example sentence for and is, Tom and Jerry is a very popular cartoon show. The final sight word I will be teaching you today is the. Did you know the is the most used word in the English language? That is why it is important for you to learn this word, just like all the other sight words I have taught you today. An example sentence for the is, the teacher is very proud of her class. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.